Question number 10. Find the square roots of 4 plus 3i. So let me see the first division, the 4 plus 3i. Okay. So here z equal to, let me take this as z, that is z equal to 4 plus 3i. The first thing we want to find the modulus value, that is modulus of z equal to modulus of 4 plus 3i. So modulus is nothing but square root of the real part square plus the imaginary part square. So 16 plus 9 is 25. Root 25 value is 5 here. Okay. And then we want to find the square root of that, isn't it? So modulus root z equal to, we can have the both plus value and minus value. So plus or minus square root of mod z plus a by 2 plus I into b by mod b into square root of mod z minus a by 2. We want to find the square root, isn't it? So this is the actual method for finding the square root of the complex number. So root of 4 plus 3i equal to, here a is 4 and b is 3. Let me substitute all the values here. Okay, already we found the value of modulus of z there. So we can directly substitute the value of modulus of z there. So we can have this modulus of z as 5 plus a is 4 divided by 2 plus I into b is 3 and modulus of b, we want to find modulus of b is 3. Square root of 3 is nothing but 3 only there. And then modulus of z is 5 minus a is 4 divided by 2 here. So let me simplify that. 5 plus 4 is 9 by 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So 9 by root 2 plus we can cancel here and here. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 divided by this square root 2 here. And then so the value for this square root of z is 3 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. Second division we have the z equal to minus 6 plus 8i. So here I want to find the modulus value of z, that is nothing but square root of real part square is minus 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64. It will be root 100. Root 100 is 10 here. Then we want to find square root of z. It's nothing but where the formula we have the plus or minus that modulus square root of modulus of z plus a by 2 plus I into b by modulus of b into square root of modulus of z minus a by 2 here. So here let me take this z as minus 6 plus 8. Here a is minus 6 and b is 8 here. So let me substitute all the values. The modulus of z is 10, a is minus 6 here divided by 2 plus I into b is 8 divided by modulus of b is root 8 square, that is nothing but 8 here, and modulus of z is 10 minus a is 6 here, minus 6. So minus of minus is plus 6 here divided by 2. Then the simplification of this 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 by 2 is here. We can cancel 4 and 2. That will be root 2. Plus we can cancel here and here. 10 plus 6 is 16. Square root of 16 by 2 is here. 16 and 2 will be get cancelled. So we have root 8. Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. So the answer will be plus or minus root 2 plus 1 plus 2i here. And then the third division we have z equal to minus 5 minus 12i. So first of all we want to find the modulus value, that is nothing but square root of minus 5 square is 25 plus minus 12 square is 144. It's nothing but 169. The value of 169 is 13 here. And then we want to find the square root of 2. Okay, square root of z is plus or minus. We have the formula here. Then substitute the value of z, modulus of z, a and b, so that we can have the values here. So here substitute that everything, that is Modulus of z is 13. A is minus 5 divided by 2 plus I into b is minus 12. So that we have the minus symbol here. Minus 12 is here. Then modulus of b is nothing but root 12 square. So root and square will get cancelled. That is 12 into square root of mod z is 13 and a is minus 5. Already we have one minus symbol, so it will become plus 5 here divided by 2. Then we can simplify. 13 minus 5 is 8 by 2 minus I into 13 plus 5 is 18 by 2 here. So here I can simplify the thing as 8 by 2 as 4 root 4 plus here also even I can cancel 9. So square root of 4 is 2 and square root of root 9 is 3. So plus or minus 2 minus I root 3, that is plus or minus 2 minus 3 root 2 minus 3I. Okay.